Asher, here's some more bread. Here you go. Just a few. Just a little bit. Here you go. Just one piece. Just one piece. Here you go. That was awesome. Emerson ate his last piece. Oh my gosh.
Ducky duck.
That's it?
Can you give us more bread?
I don't think we've got any more, big boy.
Hi! I'm getting Ducky!
Okay. Yeah, I think that's it, bub. Sorry. Yeah? Emmy, did you like the ducks? Did you like the ducks? Did you like them? Yeah. Say ducks. Say ducks.